This video is going to discuss specifically using video as your ad format. You know, lots of dealers ask me why they should even consider video. Well, here's the short answer. Video is huge and it is growing by the day. Consumers love video. They have been asking for video for years. Most people would rather watch a video than have to actually read something. And I think it is about time dealers just start giving consumers what it is they want. Now, is it more work? Of course it is. You actually have to go out and take the time to produce a video. But is it worth it? Absolutely. When setting up your video campaign, you are going to go through the same exact steps that we discussed in the prior session. Identify your objective, which is going to be traffic or video views, preferably traffic. Remember from the last video, I spoke about how we want to get people off of Facebook and looking at what you sell and do that on your website. And the only way that will happen is if we set this up as a traffic-based campaign. Make sure to say yes to budget optimization. Set your budget. Pick your days and times you want the ads to actually run. And don't forget to pick your geographic targets. Most importantly, choose your audiences wisely. Now, when you get to the final stages of creating your ad, the main difference here is that you are going to choose video as the ad format and then just follow all the steps in uploading that video. And just like the image-based ad, you will get to write the headline, put in the main offer, add in the descriptions, and since we're using traffic as the objective, you will need to enter in the URL that's going to take people to the page on the website that you want to send them to. Just remember, send them to the page of the product or service that you are promoting. Do not send them to the home page. Again, we talked about this in the last session. If you make them hunt around and look on your website, they're just not going to do it. They will bounce and you have wasted your time, effort, and your money on launching this campaign. There has been a lot of debate in how long the video should actually be. And you know what? There's no really right or wrong answer because it really all depends on what it is you're promoting and the market that you're in. You know, a virtual test drive or a product demonstration video, that's going to be able to be a lot longer than a quick deal of the day post. And just like any other campaign that you build, this is where you're going to need to take the time to test different formats. Create short videos, medium length videos, long form videos. Just don't get trapped in analysis paralysis. You will never know what works until you just go ahead and launch that campaign and start tracking the results. But do know this, generally speaking, attention spans are extremely short on social media. So I would advise you get to the point quick. Right? When scripting or outlining your video, you are going to want to use what we call the inverted style of writing, which is to get to the main point of your offer right away. Think of it like a headline in either a newspaper or a magazine ad that contains that main offer, the hook. Get them hooked and engaged with the offer, then come back and tell more of your story. And you know what? This is really the great thing about video. It's fun. You get to show your personality. You get to showcase your style. And since people still buy from people, video can be a great way for you to get potential customers to know you, like you, and trust you before they ever even step one foot in your dealership. And finally, while the focus of this whole section has been on Facebook, go ahead and get more mileage out of every video that you produce and start cross-publishing it to the other digital and social platforms that you have. Google My Business, Instagram, YouTube, your website. If you took the time to produce a video, you should plan it in as much social media real estate as possible.